welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you the amazing solubilization of styrofoam by acetone. Check this out.
For this experiment, we'll be using a glass bowl, styrofoam blocks, and acetone. Begin by adding a small amount of acetone to your bowl. You don't need a lot.
Okay, now you're ready to try dissolving your styrofoam in the acetone. So remember, this is not a chemical change, it's just a physical change. The styrofoam's polystyrene is dissolving in the acetone because acetone is a non-polar solvent, so it dissolves non-polar solutes, like polystyrene. Check it out. Look at that! It is dissolving in the acetone so quickly. That is amazing. Look, it's almost gone. Most of styrofoam is just air, and so you'd be surprised what's left when it dissolves in the acetone. It's a very long, stringy polymer. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.